Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you are very well. Okay, guys. Now we will study about reported speech. Kamu pasti pernah mendengarnya apa itu reported speech. That's why let's go on to study about reported speech. The goal of the lesson is the students are able to create the sentences and the students can change or able to change from direct speech into reported speech. Mari kita lihat penjelasan dari reported speech. Yang pertama, the definition. Direct speech definisinya adalah when we report the exact words of the speaker without any change, then this mode of communication. Example, he said, I am hungry. Here, the exact words of the speaker are I am hungry. And the words reported without any change. Jadi tidak ada perubahan. Itulah kalau di dalam direct speech. Kalau indirect speech, when we do not report the real words of speaker and change, then this mode of communication. Example, he said that he was hungry. Here, we change the real words of speaker. And then, reported speech. What is reported speech? Reported speech is when we are telling someone what another person said or thought, but do not use their exact words. For example, Susie said that she wanted to help her sister. Jadi reported speech itu mengatakan kepada seseorang apa yang dikatakan orang lain atau yang dipikirkan orang lain, tetapi tidak menggunakan kata-katanya persis seperti yang disebutkan. Contohnya, Susi mengatakan bahwa dia ingin membantu kakaknya. Jadi, the contents of our lesson today, yang pertama, the definition of direct speech, indirect speech, and reported speech. Tadi sudah kita bedakan apa itu definisi direct speech, indirect, and reported speech. And the second, verb tense changes. 3, the changes of to be. 4, the changes of adverb of time and place. 5, the changes of personal pronoun. 6, the explanation of statement. 7, statement example. 8, positive command. 9, the positive command example. 10, the negative command. 11, the negative command example. 12, yes or no question. 13, the example of yes or no question. 14, WH question. And 15 WH question example. And all of this, we will talk about in this lesson. Next. Jadi ada perubahan kalau awalnya direct speech, kalau kita rubah ke reported speech akan mengalami perubahan tenses. Jadi yang pertama simple present menjadi simple past kalau di dalam reported speech. Simple present itu polanya subject plus verb one plus object and so on. Jadi kalau dirubah ke simple past menjadi subject plus verb to plus object and so on. Itulah pola dari simple present menjadi simple past. Yang kedua, simple past berubah menjadi past perfect tense. Simple past tadi udah disebutkan polanya yaitu subject plus verb to and so on. And past perfect tense subject plus had plus verb 3 and object and blank blank blank. Yang ketiga, present continuous tense. Jadi present continuous tense adalah tenses yang sedang dilakukan. Jadi tensesnya polanya adalah subject plus to be is am are plus verb ing and object and so on menjadi past continuous tense kalau di reported speech. Past continuous tense itu polanya subject plus was were plus verb ing and so on. Number 4, present perfect. Jadi present perfect polanya subject plus have or has plus verb 3 plus object and so on. Jadi kalau orang ketiga tunggal dia menggunakan has, sedangkan orang pertama dan orang kedua menggunakan have plus verb 3 atau past participle. Kalau dirubah menjadi reported speech menjadi past perfect. Ibu tadi sudah menjelaskan apa pola past perfect. Nomor 5, present perfect continuous menjadi past perfect continuous. Jadi present perfect continuous itu subject plus have atau has plus been plus verb ing. Kemudian berubah menjadi past perfect continuous tense yaitu subject plus have plus been plus verb ing. Yang keenam, present future tense. Present future tense polanya adalah subject plus will ditambah verb one and so on, and become past future tense in reported speech. The pattern is subject plus would plus verb one. Itulah mengenai perubahan tenses dari direct menjadi reported speech. Yang kedua, perubahannya dari segi auxiliary atau to be. Misalnya kalau dalam direct am is are menjadi was were dalam reported speech. Misalnya dalam direct shall or will menjadi should or would di reported speech. Modal verb juga begitu. Kita lihat di sini modal verbnya can menjadi could, may menjadi might, must, have to, has to atau ought to berubah menjadi had to dalam reported speech. Inilah bagian to be atau auxiliary verb-nya. Lihat perubahan selanjutnya yaitu di bidang adverb of time and place. Misalnya dalam direct dikatakan this, di reported speech menjadi that. Today menjadi that day, this, those, now menjadi then, here become there, tomorrow become the following day, the next day. Or and yesterday menjadi the previous day, the day before. Tonight menjadi that night. Itulah perubahan di bidang. Sekarang kita lihat perubahan di bidang personal pronoun changes. Jadi personal pronoun changes artinya perubahan kata ganti orang. Misalnya dalam direct I di reported speech diganti menjadi he atau she. Kemudian you berubah menjadi I, she, he, we, they dalam reported speech. We menjadi they, me menjadi him or her, you menjadi him, her, us, them, us menjadi them dalam reported speech. Bisa kamu lihat di sini. Nanti kalau kurang jelas bisa